Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect Convertkit to Squarespace, the updated way that works in 2025. This is super useful if you want to automate your email marketing and website workflows, so stick around till the end. Let's get started. First, go to the zapier.com and log into your account. Once you click on create and choose Zaps. Now we'll set up a trigger and an action. For the trigger, search for ConvertKit. Here, choose the event that will start the automation. For example, new subscriber. Click continue, and now it's time to connect to your ConvertKit account. You'll need to sign in using your API secret to authorize Zapier. Once that's done, it's time to set the action. Search for Squarespace in the action step. From the event option, choose API request. This lets you run custom actions as Squarespace. Click continue and then log into your Squarespace account to complete the connection, and that's it. You have successfully set up an automation where a new subscriber in ConvertKit triggers an action in Squarespace. That's how you connect ConvertKit to Squarespace in 2025. Quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and the video and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.